I am Sam Lockyer and I'm a photographer.
Here we go.
I was at a concert and I met one of their photographers and I was like, oh, that's because I always wanted to like work in the music industry somehow. And I was like, oh, that's a really cool job. I got a camera a year and a half ago and I wanted to learn more about it. So I came into classes at Factory Underground. So I took private photography lessons with Guzman. So aside from the technical part, I learned how to approach clients more confidently, and that's an important skill to have because if your client is more comfortable, the photos will have a better outcome. From shadowing Guzman, I was given a wide range of opportunities from working with different artists, working with studio clients, and taking pictures for the underground lounge shows. Now I just do freelance work and I'm a contributor to a magazine publication where you get to cover live events and music.